she's dead now.
Oh.
She knew she was dying when she gave me this. A very strange girl. Very sweet girl. Very.
She must have been fond of you. Sick people have such deep, sincere attachments.
That's right, they certainly do.
It makes up for sincerity, I think.
It sure does bring it out of people.
The little there is comes from the people who've experienced some sorrow.
I believe you're right about that.
I'm positive I am. Show me a person who hasn't known any sorrow, and I'll show you a superficial. Listen to me. My tongue is thick, and you boys are to blame for that. The show let out at 11, and we couldn't come home on account of the poker game, so we had to go somewhere and drink. I'm not accustomed to having more than one drink. 2 is my limit. And 3. Tonight I had 3.
Mitch! Feel me out, I'm talking to Miss.
Dubois.
Miss Dubois?
It's a French name. It means woods, and blanche means white, so together it's white woods, like an orchid in spring. You can remember it by that.
You're French?
We are French by extraction. Our first American ancestors were French Huguenots.
You're Stella's sister, are you not?
Yes, Stella is my precious little sister. I call her little in spite of the fact that she's slightly older than I am. Will you do something for me?
Sure, what?
I bought this adorable little paper-colored lantern. You put it in the light bulb, would you? Please? I can't stand a naked light bulb any more than I can a rude remark or a vulgar action.
I guess we strike you as a pretty rough bunch.
I'm very adaptable to circumstances.
Well, that's a good thing to be. You are visiting Stanley.
Gracious, what lung power! I teach high school at Laurel.
What do you teach? What subject?
Yes.
I bet you teach art or music. Of course, I could be wrong. Maybe it's arithmetic.
Never arithmetic, sir, never arithmetic. I don't even know my multiplication tables. No, I have the misfortune of being an English teacher. I attempt to instill a bunch of Bobby Soxers and drugstore Romeos with the reverence of Hawthorne and Whitman and Poe.
I guess that some of them are more interested in other things.
You're right, you are. Their literary heritage is not what most of them treasure above all else. But they're sweet things, and in the spring it's touching to notice them make their first discovery of love, as if nobody has ever known it before. Oh, have you finished? Wait, I'll turn on the radio.
Drunk and looking at you. All of you, please come on. If you have any spark of
No,
decency,
please.
if you lay a hand on me, I'll...
Easy, fellow. Easy, fellow. Easy, fellow.
My sister's gonna have a baby.
This is terrible.
Who is he? I
want to go away. I want to go away.
want my sister's clothes. We'll get her to the woman's upstairs.
Where's the clothes?
I've got them. Stella, dear precious little sister.
What's the matter? What happened?
You just blew your top off, Stan.
He's okay now.
Sure, my boy's okay.
Put him in the bed and get him a wet towel.
I think coffee will do him a world of good now.
I want water. Put him under the shower.
Let the rug go of me, you sons of bitches!
Let's get quick out of here.
Poker should not be played in the house with women.
Stella? Stella? Eunice, I want my baby. Eunice, I'll keep on reading until I talk with my baby.
Put the towel out there and go back to bed.
I want my baby down here. Stella! Stella!
She ain't coming down, so you quit, or you'll get the law on you.
Stella!
You can't beat on a woman and then call her back. She won't come. And her going to have a baby. You sing her. You welcome a Polak. You, I hope they do haul you and it turn the fire goes on you. Same as last time.
Eunice, I want my girl to come down here with me.
Where's my little sister? Stella? Stella?
Mr. Dubois.
Oh,
all quiet on the Potomac now.
She ran downstairs and went back with him in there.
Sure she did.
I'm terrified.
Ho ho. There's nothing to be scared of. They're crazy about each other.
I'm not used to such.
Now it's a shame that this had to happen when you just got here. But don't take it serious.
Violence is so.
Sit down on the steps and have a cigarette with me.
I'm not properly dressed.
That don't make no difference in the corner.
Such a pretty silver case.
I showed you in the inscription, didn't I?
Yes. There's so much confusion in the world. Thank you for being so kind. I needed kindness.